Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Nature and transportation, and 2. Phonics. 3 different S ending sounds.
単語の最後が S で終わるときの3つの違う音。
S, Z, and is. Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Today, I want you to challenge them by yourself, okay? I will give you the gesture and you do the actions. Are you ready? Stand up. On. In. Under. Above. In front of. Behind. Next to. Sit down. Now at this time, let's do it again together. Are you ready? Stand up. On. In. Under. Above. In front of. Behind. Next to. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. This week, let's practice S ending sounds.
今週は S で終わる音を練習しよう。
There are 3 types of sounds of the word ending in S, depending on what kind of sound is before S.
S で終わる単語の最後の S はいつも同じ音ではありません。3種類の違う音で発音します。S の前にどんな音が来るかによって音が変わるよ。
The first S ending sound is voiceless.
はじめの S の音はス。無声音に続くときはこの音になります。喉を触ってみてね。震えない音が無声音だよ。
S. If the last sound of the word is a voiceless sound such as book, the adding S is pronounced as S, as in books.
例えば S の前にある音が book の K の場合、喉に手を当てて K と言ってみよう。K 震えていないから無声音だね。無声音の後には S という音でくっつくよ。だから books と発音します。
Now, let's practice the S sound. S is S. Books. S. Okay, let's try the S sound together. 1, 2. S. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? S is S. Books. Are you ready? 1, 2. S is S. Books. Wonderful! The second S ending sound is voiced Z.
2番目の S の音はズー。有声音に続くときはこの音になります。喉を触ってみてね。震える音が有声音だよ。
If the last sound of the word is a voice sound such as G, as in bag, the adding S is pronounced as Z, as in bags.
例えば S の前にある音が bag の G の場合、喉に手を当てて G と言ってみよう。G。震えているから有声音だね。有声音の後にはズという音でくっつくよ。だからbags と発音します。
Now, let's practice the Z sound. S is Z. Bags. Z. Okay, let's try the Z sound together. 1, 2. Z. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? S is Z. Bags. Are you ready? 1, 2. S is Z. Bags. Wonderful. Third, the last S ending sound is.
3番目の音は is と発音します。
If the last sound of the word is a sibilant sound such as S as in box, Z as in prize, or Sh as in dish,
この3番目の音は摩擦音の後に続くときに変わります。摩擦音とは擦れたときに出る音でクス、ズ、シュなどの音です。
the adding S is pronounced as is.
そして摩擦音に続く S は is と発音します。
As in boxes.
例えば box の後に続くときは boxes になります。
Now, let's practice the is sound. S is. Boxes. Is.
口を横に広げてえと言った後に歯と歯の間から息を漏らすようにズと言います。続けて言うと is できたかな？
Okay, let's try the is sound together. 1, 2. Is. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? S is. Boxes. Are you ready? 1, 2. S is. Boxes. Wonderful. It's time to sing. Let's sing the song This Is the Way together. This is the way I wash my face, I wash my face, wash my face. This is the way I wash my face every day in the morning. This is the way I brush my teeth, I brush my teeth, I brush my teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth every day in the morning. This is the way I comb my hair, I comb my hair, I comb my hair. This is the way I comb my hair every day in the morning. This is the way I make my bed, I make my bed, I make my bed. This is the way I make my bed every day in the morning. This is the way I put on my clothes, I put on my clothes, I put on my clothes. This is the way I put on my clothes every day in the morning. Well done. Goodbye. It's new vocabulary time. I'll introduce you to some new words. Just watch and listen carefully. Let's begin. It's a car. It's a taxi. It's a bicycle. It's a paddy field. It's a vegetable garden. It's a vegetable field. It's a farm. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? It's a farm. It's a vegetable garden. It's a bicycle. It's a paddy field. It's a car. It's a taxi. It's a vegetable field. That was great. Please remember. Hi! It's chance time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. First, let's do it together slowly. Are you ready? Put on your shoes. Take off your shoes. Get in a car. Get on a bus. Take it with you. Bring it back with you. Good job! Hi, it's book time! This week, try to listen to the story in English only. I will read you the story. Please watch and listen. The title is Nature and Transportation, written by Gary and Akiko. I go to the farm by truck. I go to the beach by car. I go to the park by bicycle. I go to the island by helicopter. I go to the lake by boat. We go to the mountain by bus. I go to the paddy field by train. I go to the moon by rocket. The end. Did you understand the story? Goodbye.
Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. This week somebody says z at the end of a word.
今週は誰かが単語の最後にズと言うよ。
Guess who? Are you ready?
Drinks!
Dishes.
Dreams.
Who said z at the end of a word?
誰が単語の最後にズって言ったかな？
I did. I said dreams.
Oh, Linda said z at the end of a word. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Carla?
I said drinks. Drinks.
I see. How about you, Max? Max?
I said dishes. Dishes.
I see.
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Nature and transportation, and 2. Phonics. 3 different S ending sounds. S, Z, is. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.